What is up, you guys? Blaise over here at the Blue Chip Athletic Club podcast, coming to you after a little run this morning. You guys know it's been a little while since I've done one of these kind of mobile style of podcast slash call recording sessions. Just a quick 5 or 10 minute one that's going to help you get through a day or a week. But what I want to do, get this over to you after I hit a run while I'm rolling my feet out in our garage. That is huge. If you're on video here, you can see it. Construction zone, because we're redoing our kitchen. Today is February the 25th, I believe, 2026. Oh man, a couple quick plugs before I get into this talk about what I want to talk about. Blue Chip Athletic Club app is live. Go to the website, claim a free month training with us. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing that. I've been told by my business coaches, as well as some other people close in the circle, we don't charge enough and we're giving away too much free shit. So get in there while we're still got it going on. I don't know when it's going to change. One-on-one coaching applications are also in there, application only to work directly with me. Everything from training to nutrition to your sleep, stress, and recovery, all the things will be a one-stop shop for you. Lastly, small group training in the greater Tampa area is open. Again, application-based. Definitely pop on the website or shoot us a message here, and we can send you the app if you're interested. Oh boy, what else? Sweet Perfections protein cookies, First Form supplements, Log 10, Build Different Mastermind. Thank you all guys. Thank you guys all for being a part of our lives here at the Blue Chip family. We appreciate you. Okay, that's enough of that. So I just finished a quick run outside. I think it was only 25-ish minutes or so. For some people, that's quick. For some people, that's far. I'm not going to judge you or to discuss a perception of time. What I am going to do, though, is talk about, how easy it would have been for me to punt my workout today. So, I think I told you guys before, the house is under some immense construction. There are tools everywhere. There are things everywhere. My gym space, for any of you guys that are watching this on video, looks like there's just a million, pieces of wood. There's tables, construction, there's saws, there's buckets, there's everything you could possibly think of that's just out as we're kind of making this thing happen. And I think it would have been really, really easy for me. Let me sit down here while we stretch out. Maybe I'll grab the roller too, wherever I put that awful piece of equipment. See, that's what happens when things are all over the place. You can't even find stuff you need. So what could I have done, today? I could have just been like, I'm going to punt today because we've got a lot of stuff going on, working on the house. We are still working full time, still running this business full time. And, the thing that's going to give is the training session that we're going to do. And I think that's really easy. The trap is really easy. Hey, we'll do it tomorrow, or, the time is not right to do it today. And that trap, I feel like, is something that we can really, really get, lured into, for lack of a better term, from the devil on one side of the shoulder versus the angel on the other. It's really easy to make that excuse, and sometimes it's truly valid. There's sometimes where your body really needs a rest. For my high performers, for my pilots, active duty military members, former athletes, you guys probably do need to take a rest every once in a while. And if you guys are listening to this podcast, you're probably a health person that could probably take a rest. But there are some people out there that may listen to this that are also the people that when you're just punting the day, and you're not holding the line, holding the contract with yourself of what you're going to do. So I say that because yesterday I told myself, hey, I have not been out for a run in a while. I really do like making my training, I'll call it wide lensed, because, I like to run, jump, lift, laterally move. I like to be powerful. I like to truly move like an athlete forever. Now, does that mean I'm always doing Olympic style lifting? Does it mean I'm always sprinting or doing plyos? No, I'm not always just doing mobility, but I want to be really well rounded in my life, because at the end of the day, I want to dance on my 80th birthday. I want to play sports with grandkids, great grandkids at some point in my life, and that is something that is truly, truly a driver for me. So how am I going to do that? Well, I'm definitely not going to do that by punting my health for the next 30 years, and waiting until it's the right time to make it happen. So for those of you guys that are out there, yeah, you make a contract with yourself, whether you say it out loud, write it down, you think the thought, whether it's diet based, sleep based, training based, keep the contract with yourself. Today my initial expectation was I was going to go out and I was going to run my I was going to do like 45 minutes. What ended up happening, I got out a little late, and then the workout ended up shifting a little bit. So I ended up doing about a 30-minute run. After all is said and done, I forgot to start my watch when I began. And you know what they say, if you don't start the watch, it doesn't count. Just kidding. It actually does. So what did we do? We did a 10-minute, warm-up run, and then we did about 15, I guess it was probably like 17 or 18 sprint intervals. So we did 10-second sprints, 50-second recoveries. And that is how we got our stuff in today. I'm never going to be the guy who pops on to a kickball team or a softball team as a old man and pulls a hamstring running to first base if I can avoid it, by practicing, by training for that, by making sure that I'm ready for the time when that happens. And for you guys that are out there, make sure that you're utilizing some of that. Make sure you're keeping that contract with yourself, because at the end of the day, that is incredibly important to your lifelong health and making sure you're staying on the path. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day whenever you're listening to this. If you liked the episode, please drop us a 5-star. I'm trying to be better about asking you guys for the reviews. It really helps the show grow, helps the business grow, and I'm eternally grateful for that. And just remember, you don't stop playing because you get old. You get old because you stop playing. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.